In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect Binance account to Treasure NFT. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly set up and connect Binance to Treasure NFT. This will be done by opening the Treasure NFT application and going over to your assets. Inside of your assets, use the withdraw option. This will give you the prompts that you need in order to connect both accounts together. So when you choose withdraw, if this is the first time that you've selected it, you will get this warning, detected that you have an unbound wallet address. Don't worry, this is okay, just choose link now. Once you select link now, you will be able to add addresses to any of these. So choose a specific one that you will be adding the address for example USDT BEP20, and use these pencil icons. Once you tap on them, you will be able to change the address. After changing the setting, the withdrawal service will be disabled for 72 hours to protect your account, so keep that in mind. Now you have to input the wallet address from Binance. So as you might expect, you can now open the Binance application or the website to acquire this wallet address. Inside of Binance, go over to Assets at the bottom right and make sure that you switch over to Spot. When you go to Spot inside of Binance, you will be able to use the deposit function. This will provide you with a list of coins that you can select, so for example BNB, USDT, and so on. And after you choose your coin, you will be given a QR code and most importantly the wallet address that you can copy to paste within other exchange services, including Treasure NFT. So save the address. Once you have it copied, you can go back, paste it here, input your login password, email code, any sort of verification, and you will be good to go to connect your Binance address to Treasure NFT. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Binance account to Treasure NFT. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.